You gotta get this drink.
That's him? Don't tell me that's him. Don't tell me. Wait, watch out. Let me get in there, I got the camera.
Black Chris.
Sit down.
What the fuck is poppin', dude?
What's wrong, man?
This nigga ain't got no clothes on. This nigga butt No, that nigga butt This nigga butt
Oh, Chris! Chris! Wake your ass up!
Chris, what you doing?
What you doing, dog?
Chris.
He got his jacket. He got his jacket hung up. He got his jacket hung up all neat and shit. And all this shit on the floor. Wait! No! Hold on, dog. Hold on. Wait, hold on, son. I gotta back up and come back in here. No! Look at this dude. Where you think you at, Chris?
Then he sit on that bitch right.
We in the convention center, Chris. Watch out. Move.
No, I'm about to die.
Move out the way, son. Move out the way.
No cool.
Oh, Chris. What is gonna be? What is gonna be? Chris.
No,
Chris.
Look, he's so lucky my phone broke right now.
Look here. Answer us, son. Answer us. Answer somebody. Explain yourself.
Oh, the fucking plug. Sitting on it.
Explain yourself, Chris.
The nigga was asleep on the toilet when we came out.
I know. I saw his ass. Wait, Chris. Chris.
No.
Chris.
Fucking dead on you.
Oh shit. Chris, put that shit back on, dog. Put that shit back on. Stop tripping, dog.
Say, bro, I came in. I saw the
I used to talk about me? This is it right here, son. This is it. What's up with you? Where you at?
He's so serious, dog.
You on your phone? You in for the night?
Oh, shit.
Brian never got that fucked up. I might throw up, dog.
What you say? I can't hear.